Some mornings, you don't need a plan. You just need the water and a boat built to meet it. This is the Seadeck 7. Azimut builds her in Italy. First of a family built around one idea: less noise, more time out here. Carbon fiber keeps her light on her feet. You feel it the moment you push off the dock. Twin engines get you up and running fast into open water while the marina's still waking up. Cruise easy most of the day, with plenty of range to keep going past the point where most boats turn back. Stern opens wide to the water, wings fold back. A staircase drops straight down to the platform. Swim, dive, paddle out, climb back aboard, and do it again before lunch. Flybridge up top for the long run out. Foredeck lounge for the slow float back in. Drop anchor, kill the generator, and the boat goes quiet, running on battery alone. So all you hear is water against the hull. Rods rigged for the afternoon bite. Grab gear off the swim platform whenever the mood hits. Inside, the salon opens straight to the sea. Light wood, low furniture, nothing between you and the view. The owner's suite is built the same way, quiet, bright, made for slowing down. This isn't a boat you admire from the dock. It's a boat you're already on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts, and I'll see you out there. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.